Next, I want to show you our team dashboard. This is where you can collaborate with your peer advisors and also make sure that you can track and manage your time. You'll notice when you open up the team dashboard, we tell you how many team tickets are open, and then we give you the ability to actually look at all the tickets that are happening across your organization. You can also reassign those tickets or escalate those issues. I can add tags to those tickets. And lastly, I can start live support sessions from the web. With one click and no phone numbers to look up, I can do a click to the CAB support session where again, I can see exactly what my farmer sees. AgriSync reduces the amount of paperwork your team has to do by automatically tracking all of your support sessions, including call duration, farmer feedback, and any custom tags that you may have created, easily exported into Excel for your business system or CRM tools. Again, all of your support sessions are tracked in AgriSync. It's also easy to set up custom ticket tags. With one click of the button, I can add things beyond warranty work, billable, and with custom tags. In this case, if I just added a UAV business, I could create a custom tag for UAVs that shows up at the end of each support session. It allows me to easily track and categorize my support sessions that I've done in that part of my business.